Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Since I was doing stuff on my cloud couch of transporting it, I decided to do my last video on restoration hardware. Well, not my last, because I'm still ordering some more stuff. I know, accessories. But we got a new bedroom set because the other one we didn't like. So we didn't take it with us. It was just our bed. So some of you guys also have been asking about my baby bump. I just have a small baby bump, nothing huge, but of course I will keep you guys abreast to my growing baby bump. So let's look at some of the furniture we just bought. I love that. That's one of the reasons why we purchased it, is because you press it in and then you close it. That's just so cool. And then this is the bed. It's called the Herringbone bed. And I guess it's the Herringbone set. I should have moved some of this stuff off of the other nightstand, but there we go. And yeah, so that is the bed. It's the dark wood. It's beautiful. We really love it. And it is wood veneers. It is just a beautiful set. I couldn't find it in the stores to really look at in this color. So that's kind of why I'm doing the video, so that you guys can see it if this was something that you were looking to purchase, or if not. So I hope that helped you guys to see the herringbone set in the dark wood, because you can see it in kind of the grayish, which is pretty as well, but we were looking for the dark wood. So yeah, I will see you guys next time. This has been a really quick video, but I will see you next time, and thank you so much for watching. Bye.